So being a teen can suck sometimes, you know, just emotions, man, and homework. But another thing that sucks about being a teen is acne, okay? So most of it can be hormonal, but we're about to give you some reasons why your acne might not be going away.
The first reason why you may have acne is because of your pillowcase. Try changing your pillowcase or tying up your hair.
So another reason is that you're touching your face too much. Something like I do it a lot when I'm talking or when I'm getting stressed out. But when you're doing that, try to find like another alternate to like something to do with your hands. Maybe like a stress ball or something, just to kind of like pull away the bacteria away from your face.
Another reason is your hair being down. This can lead to the oils from your hair, the greases from your hair, and the products from your hair getting onto your face.
You're not taking off your makeup properly, or even if you are and you're washing your face, you're not rinsing the residue off well enough. So like rinsing your face. A good thing after washing your face is to use toner because it helps close up the pores and stops bacteria from going in it. I like this one because it's Witch Hazel, it's pretty swag.
The last reason why you may have acne is because you're lacking your consumption of water. We recommend detox water, and it's basically water with lemon slices.
Oh look, you got a little lemon.
I love that. Cheers!